Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover how we could align style views of constraint layout, how we could place one view over other, how we could baseline align two text views. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language Kotlin. We will go to the main activity layout file and there we are creating a text view and we are placing it at the center of the constraint layout. Now we are creating textview 2 and we are placing textview 2 also in the center of the constraint layout. Textview 2 is coming over main textview because in the XML file we are placing textview 2 below main textview. For aligning textview 2's bottom to the top of main textview, we need to use this property in textview 2, layout constraint bottom to the top of main textview. For horizontally placing textview 2 at the center of the main textview, we need to use both the horizontal constraint in textview 2 and the horizontal constraints should be to the main textview. So we are using these two properties in textview 2. Layout constraint start to the start of main textview and layout constraint end to the end of main textview. If we remove one of the horizontal constraint from textview 2, then textview 2 would be one side aligned to the main textview. For baseline aligning two text views, we need to use this property in one of the two text views, layout constraint baseline to the baseline of. Here we are using this property in text view 2, layout constraint baseline to the baseline of main text view. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.